No, I want to thank him because we're trying to cut down on payroll. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm very thankful that he let go of a large number of people because now we have a smaller payroll. There's no real reason for them to go back. So I greatly appreciate the fact that they've been able to cut our payroll for the United States. We'll save a lot of money.
The White House says the president was joking, but what would those savings look like? Russian support staff make up the majority of the 755 jobs that will be eliminated. Because some staff will be retained, such as guards for security, let's assume 3/4 are removed. American staff would take jobs elsewhere within the State Department. So that brings us to a reduction of 566 people. The maximum estimated savings is $28 million. The president promised this week to increase the number of troops in Afghanistan. At $1.2 million a soldier, that pays for 23 additional troops, or about half a platoon. Estimates suggest 3,500 or more American soldiers will be added. In the context of the U.S. federal budget, any savings brought on by staff reductions to the U.S. Embassy in Russia is minuscule. But the diplomatic impact may be huge, and that is no laughing matter.